We have just finished a meeting on the matters of Mount Kenya East. We have agreed that we come up with a statement, and this statement will be led. We are in agreement with this statement, and this statement will be led by Mheshimiwa Ruku, the MP of Beru North, on behalf of all these members. Thank you very much. Members of for the state, as you know, Mount Kenya East is made up of Meru, Tharaka Nithi, and the Embu counties. And these are the members who are part of that group of leadership elected members of parliament. We do. Mr. Taitumu, Julius Taitumu, Member of Parliament of Bugembe North. Mr. Patrick Munene, Member of Parliament of Chuka Igamba-Ng'ombe. Mr. Engineer Muriuki, Member of Parliament of Bele South. Bwana Mpolo Abori, Member of Parliament of Mtigani East. Madam Elizabeth Kairemia, Woman Representative of Meru County. Mr. Ruko, Member of Parliament, Geoffrey Luku, Member of Parliament of Bele North. Ms. and Dr. Kanyuithia Mutunga, Chairman of Agriculture, Member of Parliament, Tigania West. Mr. John Paul Mwirigi, the Member of Parliament of Bugembe South. Senator Mundigi, Alexander Mundigi, Embu County. Mr. Dan Kiri Kadido, Member of Parliament of Bugembe Central. Mr. Gigi Getonga Murugala, Member of Parliament of Tharaka. Madam Double N, woman rep of the great county of Embu. And our senior, Mr. Kareke Bioki, Member of Parliament of Mahala constituency. My name is Redikiri Mugambi. I'm the Member of Parliament of Bore constituency, Meru County. We have apologies from Dr. Chandler Mwiti, the Member of Parliament of Gembe, Main South. Mr. Mr. Karemba, the Member of Parliament of Runyenjes. Eric Muchangi, Member of Parliament of Runyenjes. Mr. Lahim Dahut, he meant North. Ngoshine Kirima, Member of Parliament, he meant Central. Dorothy Ikiala, nominated Member of Parliament from Meru County, Madam Dorothy Ikiala. Those are the members who form this group of elected legislatures of advancing the cause of our business as a legion.
This is the press statement by Mount Kenya East, that is Meru, Tharaka, Nithi, and Embu counties parliamentary group meeting. It is issued at Isaac Wharton Inn in Embu on this day of 9th September 2024. As the elected leaders from the Mount Kenya East region, we have met today, and after comprehensive deliberations, we have unanimously resolved to chart the way forward for the socio-economic development and political agenda of our people and the region as a bloc. Today's meeting is a crucial step in shaping our collective efforts to deliver the progress and growth that our constituents in Mount Kenya East deserve. The Mount Kenya East region consists of Embu, Tharaka Nithi, and Meru counties. We take this opportunity to sincerely thank His Excellency the President William Samoei Ruto for recently appointing 3 cabinet secretaries from our region, namely the Right Honorable Justin Muturi, Professor Kithure Kindiki, and Engineer Eric Muga. These 3 appointments reflect the trust and recognition the President has placed on Mount Kenya East, and we are grateful for the opportunity to serve in the national leadership. We acknowledge the need for a strong linkage with the executive to fast-track our region priorities. Through cooperation, we are confident that Mount Kenya East will progressively secure a stronger recognition in the national agenda. We wish to highlight some development projects that were initiated under the previous administration but are yet to be completed. These include critical road infrastructure, water projects, and electrification programs. These projects are vital to the prosperity and well-being of our people, and we urge the national government to prioritize their completion. Mount Kenya is old significant voting numbers, making us critical region in shaping the political and development direction of our country. I think it is important to repeat that. Mount Kenya is old significant voting numbers, making us a critical region in shaping the political and development direction of our country. Our voice and corrective decision in the national matters cannot be assumed. As we continue to support and oversight the current government, we remind our leaders that our numbers matters, and we expect to see more development initiatives to reflect our contributions to the national vote. As a region, we have come of age and wish to henceforth canvass development matters affecting our people as a distinct entity. Our employment, we extend our deepest appreciation to His Excellency the President William Ruto for the many job opportunities already extended to our region. We further request that the future opportunities for employment to be extended to our people. As leaders, we remain committed to ensuring the development of Mount Kenya East. Our people deserve nothing less. As the registrators from Mount Kenya East, and on behalf of our people, we have unanimously agreed that the link between us and the executive is Professor Kithure Kindiki. Mount Kenya East is on the rise. Mount Kenya East is on the rise. Thank you.